Today, driven by the amazing potential of Google Vertex AI, we set out on an exciting adventure into the world of generative AI. Let's explore in detail how the creative world is being altered by these groundbreaking technologies.
Google Vertex AI.
Leading the way in machine learning innovation is Google Vertex AI, which provides a complete platform for creating and implementing AI models and opening them up for a larger audience. Vertex AI enables both organizations and creators to effortlessly access the potential of artificial intelligence from text and picture generation to predictive analytics. It provides a range of services and tools, such as AI Platform, TensorFlow, and AutoML, to optimize the machine learning process. Vertex AI might be limited in terms of flexibility and customization. Users may run into problems while adjusting models or implementing complicated algorithms into practice, which may call for more knowledge and resources.
Generative AI.
The subset of artificial intelligence known as generative AI that allow robots to create material autonomously, including writing, filming, music, and images. It creates content by using the patterns and structures from existing discovered data and knowledge. Generative AI is not a panacea, a solution for every issue or a substitute for human intellect. It also raises societal and ethical challenges. To guarantee ethical deployment and usage, issues including prejudice, privacy problems, and misuse of created content need to be addressed. Despite their respective strengths and weaknesses, both generative AI and Vertex AI hold enormous potential for the future. Generative AI opens up new avenues for creativity and innovation. It can be a source of inspiration and research for musicians, designers, and artists, helping them to create unique and varied content. Furthermore, there are practical applications for generative AI in the fields of healthcare, finance, media, and other fields. In summary, generative AI is technology that supports humans in difficult jobs, enhances their abilities, and replaces repetitious or remedial work. Ingenuity and inventiveness will be stretched further by generative AI as datasets expand and algorithms get more complex. With Google Vertex AI, the procedure becomes more easier to use, effective, and scalable than ever before. Using instances from various professions, let's talk about their bilateral relationship. 1. Artist. Generative AI assists an artist to experiment with non-traditional artistic expressions and overcome creative limitations. They may produce a wide range of visual concepts and improve them to fit their vision with Google Vertex AI. 2. Musicians. There is a bunch of possibilities when AI can produce music. With the help of Google Vertex AI, musicians can experiment with various rhythms, melodies, and musical styles to get ideas for new songs. 3. Writers. For writers, generative AI is an endless source of ideas and motivation. They can create a variety of stories, investigate different storylines, and even work with AI to co-author stories under Google Vertex AI. 4. Healthcare. By speeding up the manufacturing of new drugs, improving patient outcomes, and increasing diagnostic accuracy, generative AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry. They are already observing remarkable improvements in medical practice and research because of Google Vertex AI. 5. Finance. Financial experts can now more accurately assess market trends, forecast financial risks, and refine investment plans with generative AI. Google Vertex AI provides the tools and infrastructure needed to harness the full potential of generative AI in the financial sector. 6. Journalism. Google is making a concerted effort to integrate generative AI into journalism with the introduction of a variety of AI-powered tools that journalists may use for fact-checking, analysis, writing, and reporting. These tools, which include Pinpoint, Fact Check Explorer, and Gemini, are based on machine learning and incorporate the most recent advancements in generative AI. These are used to create documentaries that include references, graphs, facts, statistics, and other pertinent information with less effort, time, and resources. Industries worldwide are experiencing a profound shift propelled by generative AI, particularly with platforms like Google Vertex AI leading the charge. This technology isn't just accelerating innovation, it's redefining the limits of human creativity. By leveraging algorithms, businesses can now explore uncharted realms of creativity, generating ideas and solutions previously unimaginable. As we embark on this transformative journey, it's essential to fully embrace the opportunities that AI-enabled technology presents. By doing so, we can unlock the untapped creative potential within these advanced systems, reshaping industries and driving progress. It's a revolutionary adventure where human ingenuity merges seamlessly with AI capabilities, promising to shape a brighter future for all.